Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Orange Abraham. Today topic will see HTML basics. HTML basic tags. So in HTML basic tags, first we'll see HTML headings. So HTML heading is used to give a headings of particular sizes in the document. So this tag will use inside the body tag. So we can give headings to your content of your web page. So there are 6 different HTML heading tags which gives like a different heading sizes and defined by the H1 to H6 tags. So every tag display the heading in a different style and the font size. So I will show the live demo. So this is I saved in a HTML file, and in body I used a heading tags H1 to H6. So every content need to update in the body session. So title in the head session. So I just run this file. Go to program and right click, open with browser. Any browser you can run. So this is the first web page, is the title of your web browser, and then you can see the difference H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 text is big in size and H2 text is smaller than H1 text, and H3 text is smaller than H2 text. Like that you can see the difference of the heading tag. So least size is H6. Highest big size is H1. So thank you. Next session we'll see paragraph tag. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming video, and don't forget to like, share and click on the bell icon button. We'll see in the next video. Bye bye.